Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install MongoDB in Linux operating system such as Red Hat, Fedora, suse, etc. To download the software in Google search box write there MongoDB, then go on this mongodb.com site. So let's click this, and here the new page that's open, click on this product, then go into this community edition. Thereafter, click on this download button. There you can get this MongoDB community, and this is the current version. So I imagine that selected. There I'm going to select here Red Hat. So this is the latest 64. This going to click there. Now server, that's fine. Click on this download button. So this here you can see RPM file is now downloading. So this turn, let's click on this show in folder. So here this open, right click, then click on this rename, selecting this all, then right click, open the terminal. So here increasing the size. Then after here you need to paste. There you need to write this command sudo dnf install MongoDB. Now press enter. So this here some process is going on, and you need to wait for. Now thereafter you can get this installing Mongo org server. This is the 8.3 version, and here let's write y and press enter. So this is now installing this. So this install there. After that the next is let's use the create command. Thereafter the next here so this place we need to do here start the MongoDB. So let's use this command sudo system ctl, then click on this start MongoDB. Press enter. So this turn. Thereafter enable the MongoDB. So this enable, and now let's check the status. So here you can see this is now active and running. Let's click on this plus. Thereafter here we need to download and install their MongoDB Shell the next, because here if I write there MongoDB as such, or okay Mongo as such, so not found. Here we need to click on this MongoDB Shell, then go on this MongoDB Shell download. So here you can see this is the version. Dev file is there, that I'm going to select this Red Hat, or this is 64. Let's click this. Now click on this download. So now here you can see this is downloaded Mongo sh. This one is there, Mongo sh. Right click this, click on this rename, selecting this all, and here already this open there. Let's use the clear command, paste there, then write this sudo dnf install mongo and mongo sh. Press enter. So this here installing this mongo sh right there. Y. Press enter. So installing MongoDB Mongo sh and this complete. Thereafter, let's use the killer command. If I write there Mongo sh again. So this time this is connecting, and here this all you can get there. So this Mongo sh is now currently working. Thereafter, if I write there so databases. So this database that's present there.